Hi, this is Victor, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating our new RollCall-Pro Keypad app. And I'll be showing you how easy it is for your members to use either their iPads or iPhones or Android devices or even Windows clients to be able to participate in meetings the same way they would as if they were using our radio frequency keypads. Just to give you the lay of the land here, I've got RollCall-Pro installed on my computer, and I am opening a public window onto this display, which you'd normally see in your city council chambers or meeting room up on a large screen projector or a series of LCD panels. And the members, when they'd come into the room, would connect to the same Wi-Fi router as the clerk or secretary who's controlling the RollCall-Pro action, and then would log into that system as follows. For example, I'm using an Android tablet here. The user enters 3 pieces of information: the IP address of the clerk's computer, their username, and their unique password. They do that one time and the system remembers all that information. So when they come into the meeting, they simply click login and they would end up in our keypad app, which looks very familiar to those who've been using the RollCall-Pro keypads, with large buttons for voting various positions, for motions and seconds, requesting to speak, and confirming or locking in votes. So we'll just go ahead and take a quick roll call here. We'll put the system in roll call mode, and to establish presence, this is Tiger Irons. So he's established his presence and confirmed it, and now I'll do the same thing with the other devices that I have logged into RollCall-Pro. So you can see we have 5 people present. That turns out to be a quorum in this case. So we'll just do a roll call here, and we'll go on to the first item in our meeting. So you can see here that we're getting ready to discuss an amendment of a particular ordinance. So we're in discussion mode, and at this point members might make motions in seconds, so they could press their motion button, and we can confirm that in RollCall-Pro. And if someone wants to second it, they can also press their second the motion button. And by the way, the members might be looking at the agenda or the meeting packet in whatever tool that you've given them, and they can simply toggle back and forth between the voting or the keypad app and whatever application or applications that they have open as needed. So they aren't locked in. On an iPad, by the way, you'd simply double press the home button and you'd be able to bring up a series of applications and choose the one that you wanted to go to. So for example, we have a motion and a second. If we wanted to show a request to speak sequence, members could press their request to speak buttons. You see the lineup on the RollCall-Pro screen, and we proceed through those the same way we would if you were using keypads. And when it's time to vote and the clerk puts the system into voting mode, then members would toggle back to this application and simply press a voting button and then confirm that vote, and the other members would do the same. Clint Westwood is our tiebreaker. He's not needed for this. All votes are in. So you can see here that we got 3 yeses and 1 no. So this amendment passed 3-1 with 1 abstention and 7 absent. So you can see how the keypad app operates in the same fashion as our radio frequency keypads, except that it's generally larger and it's working on the same devices that you're distributing to your members to be able to send out packets electronically. If you have any questions about how this process works, please give us a call. We're here to help. Thank you.